All right, we're given some information. It says when dragons on the planet Pern lay eggs, the eggs are either green or yellow. The biologist has discovered over the years that 24% are yellow and the rest are green. So if 24% is yellow, the rest would be 76%, right? Or 0.76. How'd I get that? 100% minus 24%. Says next spring, the lead scientist has permission to randomly select 53. So that is in my sample size. To incubate, consider all possible samples. What is the usual number of eggs? Now, something that is unusual, hard to say that word, is anything below 5%. And anything below 5%, you'll kind of learn this coming up in the normal distribution, is anything that is below the mean minus 2 standard deviations and the mean plus 2 standard deviations. Well, we know how to find the mean of this binomial probability distribution. How's it a binomial? There's only 2 outcomes, either green or yellow. Remember, that's just n times p. So in this case would be n 53 times p, 0.24, and that gives me my mean of 12.72. Okay, so remember, mean is your expected value. In a sample of 53 eggs, you would expect that about 13 of them would be yellow. All right, so I also need the standard deviation, which remember is the square root of the sample size times the probability of success times the probability of failure. The sample size 53. What's the probability of success of getting a yellow? 0.24. What's the probability of not getting a yellow? That's that 0.76. And you throw all that in your calculator and you get this value right here. All right, so remember, once again, the rule that usual is that you're within 2 standard deviations of the mean. So I will take my mean minus 2 times that standard deviation that I just got. And I want to round this, so approximately 7 eggs would be my minimum. And then my maximum, 7 plus 2 standard deviations, 9.2, would be about 18. So anytime you're asked if something is usual or unusual, it has to be within this 2 standard deviations, because this is 95% of the data. So anything less than 5% would be unusual.